Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Mōrena, Mr. Sun. Mōrena, Pāpā rākau. Kia ora, my name is Koka. Here in the forest with me live 5 patupaerehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro tribe.
My name is E. Kia ora, my name is O. Kia ora, my name is U.
Kia ora, Tākaro tribe.
Kia ora, Koka.
Shall we go and see who has come to visit us today?
Aye! He kireru! He kireru!
Yes, it's the Kereru. How many of them have come to visit us today?
Tahi? Rua! E rua!
Aye, e rua. Now try and count all of their wings.
Tahi! Rua! Toru! Wha!
Ka rawe. Excellent.
Ka rawe!
Are you all ready to kani, dance? Guareri koitou.
Ooh, aye!
Etsu tamariki mā. Are you ready to kani, dance? And waiata, sing with us?
Me kani, me waiata! Matike, maranga, tutai omoe na e hoa ma. Matike, maranga, nenti matatata ki te kori tinana. Tuatahi, wirihia o ringa. Tuarua, wirihia o waiwai. Tuatoru, whātoro i te tinana. Tahi, rua, toru kei te rite. Tāpaka peke paku e. Tahi ka omati no te rawai. Are whanawhiua to ihuroa e. Paia! Watutuki i a koe. Matike, maranga. Ko te ao kei te kapu o tō ringa. Matike, maranga. Kia pai tō rā e hoa ma? Matike, maranga.
What is there Kereru has given you?
Aua!
Tākaro tribe, that's Pāpā rākau calling you. He can tell you what Kereru has given you. Haere rā, off you go.
Tamariki mā, noho mai ki aku pakiaka, whakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero o te ao marama. Aure. Tēnā koutou, Tākaro tribe.
Kia ora, Pāpārakai!
Did you enjoy dancing with the Kereru?
Aira!
Me, Haro. Amazing. I see you've brought something along with you. Do you know what it is?
Aua!
What color is it?
Kagariki. Green.
What shape is it?
Tapawha. Square.
What are the things on top? It has kawe, handles, doesn't it?
Kawe. Handles.
It looks like you could put things inside it. Do you think you could put other things inside it
Aye.
and carry them around?
Aye.
Do you think you know what it is now? That's right. It's a peke.
Peke! Yay!
Me, Haro. Amazing. It's time for us to visit some friends.
He kikorangi. That's my colour. He porofita kikorangi.
Kia ora, tamariki mā. I think the tamariki are off to Kohanga Reo. Over the road, Rory. They've got their peke bags on their backs. What colour are their peke? Whero, red. Kikorangi, blue. Mangu, black. What sort of peke are these? He peke kura, school bag. Nappy bags, peke kopi. He peke hoko hoko, shopping bag. Did you know the kupu peke has the letter e in it?
Koahau! It's me!
It sure is. Shall we learn how to write the letter e?
I!
E. Start with a line down the side. Now draw lines across the top, the middle, and the bottom. Kapai. Let's do it again. A line down the side, then across the top, the middle, and the bottom. E.
Yay!
Tauke. Awesome. I hear Koka calling you. Time for you all to visit Koka. See you next time.
Kia ora, Tākaro tribe.
Kia ora, Koka!
What did you learn about today?
Peke!
Peke. Let's learn to spell it.
E!
Do you think we need an e?
I! M!
Do you think we need a m?
Cow!
Look, a k. Do we need a k?
I!
Do you think we need a p?
Need a p? I! T!
Do you think we need a t?
Cow! E!
Do we need an e?
I!
Karawe. Excellent. That's all the letters we need. Let's all say the word together. and then you can try and spell it.
Peke.
Can you tell me the sound the word begins with? Karawe. Huh. Now try sounding out the word peke.
Peke. P. E. K. E.
That's right. See if you can find the letters for those sounds.
P. P. E. K. K. E.
Did you manage to spell the word peke?
P. K. Peke. Peke. Yay!
Tino Pai, very good. I knew you could do it.
They have handles, kawe. You put things inside to carry them around. School bags, peke kura. Nappy bags, peke kopi. He peke hoko hoko, shopping bag. Peke. It's a peke.
What a fun day, Tagaroa tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pōmarie. Good night, Tagaroa tribe.
Pōmarie.
Titiro, here comes the moon, Mahina. Kia ora, Mahina, me ngā whetū. E moi, Tagaroa tribe. See you tomorrow. Hei a pōpō.
Pōmarie. Good night.